with Ghost Hunter Alexandria and Ghost Hunter Cesare. What is your TikTok? Ninja Puppy 12. And he's got a lot of great stuff on that site. He's got the door closing, and he's also got that shadow figure that was in the window. And I'm going to give Alexandria the live, and I'm going to get out our flashlights. Start saying thank you and all that good stuff. Walk around.
Hi! Thanks for joining the live. We're back at the cemetery tonight. I'm gathering up all our stuff. Hi, Outlaw Nation.
We'll give everybody a chance to ask questions.
I believe he was down here because we went down a bit of ways the last time I went here.
We have a military guy that did not like Ethel. He liked us.
Let's see. It would help if I had a light.
Ask him if the wind is too much for him.
Is the wind too much? Is it blowing and making too much noise on live? Mom's right here. Thank you.
Hi,
He's home with the
guys.
kids. You do have Chessery tonight? I have no idea where it's at. You said hi, Mom.
Hi, guys. I'm going to set up some stuff right over here.
I have no idea.
Here we go.
Do you have any lights? There's Otis. There's
Hi,
Otis.
Otis. We came down to see Otis.
Yes.
Give Otis his music box. He likes it.
Need some lights. Thank you. There we go. Is there another flashlight in there?
No, there's a lot of them.
Okay.
Okay,
I
so
need one.
You just hold the live,
Okay.
and I'll get us our stuff.
Calibrating right now.
Jess, did you start your live?
Welcome to live. Thanks for coming. Let us know if the wind's too much. We're setting everything up right
Ask
now.
them if they want Ethel.
Do you guys want Ethel tonight?
The lights up and Ethel will come out.
Alright, we're setting the REM pod. Yes.
Sorry we're a little late.
Yeah, we're late tonight.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, they
Otis
did say
likes
want
his.
to see Ethel.
Otis likes his yes and no box.
Yep.
Why is it going crazy? There we go.
Maybe just calibrating. No, it's still going crazy. Is it fully charged? Oh, yes. Yes. Thanks, Otis. Gosh, alright. Mama's getting the spirit talker on right now. And not yet. Everybody's just coming in right now.
Yeah. See what it's got to say. Here's your light.
Yay,
Ghost
thank
Hunter
you.
Alexandria.
Thank you. I could not see. They're asking what we're doing except for talking.
Where usually this is where we get out Ethel, and they ask questions about their families.
Hi, dreamers.
And we just check for shadow figures. If this isn't going to work.
That's probably not going to work. Yes.
Yes, it's not going to work. Thank you, Otis.
Thank you, Otis.
Otis loves to communicate with us.
It's like that light's not going to work today.
Alrighty. Let me talk to the guys.
Okay, here you go.
We have all of our equipment set up. This is Otis. He's a veteran. What is he saying, Alex?
Arm.
Arm?
Arm.
What's wrong with your arm, Otis? We're a little scared, but not of the ghosts. We're afraid of the coyotes that come. Hey, dreamers, how are you? Hey, Bobby. Thank you for the roses and the heart me's. How's everybody doing tonight? Thank you for the follow, Yeet. We get some likes up, and Ethel wants to come and say hello. She's been lonely. She's missed you guys. Ethel is a haunted doll. Otis does not like Ethel, and Ethel does not like Otis. Bed? You going to bed, Otis? You guys let me know if the live starts crapping out on us. Ever since those towers went down, it's been wreaking havoc on us. Thank you, Renee. Last time we were here, the wolves come from that direction right up there, and they went across, and they went all the way over there. You did see what I said about being a mod yesterday. What did you say, Bobby? What did you say?
Let me close your door.
Oh, no, it's fine. In case we have to jump in the car. Since you're on all of our lives, I thought that would be a good idea. I said I would, but I have never done it before. Hold on. Let me see. I'm going to click your name. Click your picture. Click that. Add moderator. Manage guest. Okay, Bobby Jean. You have access to our live streams. If we get any trolls in that's like being really mean, just get my attention, and I'll let you know if he needs to be sent to VIP, he or she. Hi, C. We don't see any coyotes yet, see? And we're hoping we do not see any. But Bobby, you've been with us since we started our live streams, and I thought you'd make an awesome mod. We came down to see Otis. He's not talking a whole lot. We'll walk around just a little bit. He already said bed, so maybe he's tired. Usually this is when you guys ask questions, seeing if anything comes through the spirit boxes. Oh, thank you, Bobby. Thank you for the follow. You do not live forever. That was a mouthful. I'm venturing out through the cemetery. This cemetery, we picked this one. We're going to the one with the shadow figure. No, she wasn't a shadow figure. Like, she was like human, but she wasn't real. And we didn't get her on live stream because our live stream was on the other side of the cemetery at the time she appeared. We're going to that one tomorrow night. But this one, people hear screams. And see shadow figures. So we picked this one tonight. Thank you for the follow, James. We're in the section where the veterans are. We stay away from Babyland. We don't go up there. Is Otis saying anything yet?
I asked him if his wife is here. He said yes.
Oh, I'm missing it. Otis is
asked
talking.
what we were doing. So we were just asking.
Okay, so say it again to the live.
Oh, okay. So your talker said, hey, so I was like, is this Otis or is this your wife, Marnita? Is your wife here? And he's like, and yes and no. We said yes.
Oh, they want to know what we're doing?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're doing, Otis, is that we're just seeing if you guys want to communicate with us or if you want to rest. And if you want to rest, you can either say leave right there on that spirit talker. If you don't mind us communicating with us, you can turn the little box right there green for yes and red for no. No, I mean you want us to leave.
The music box did go off a tiny bit.
Wendy says she couldn't hear you. Otis wants to know what we're doing here, Wendy. He said him and his wife are here, but he wants to know what we're doing. Thank you for the subscribe, Bobby. Really appreciate that. Oh, is the wind getting bad?
Is that what it is?
Yeah. They said they can hear lots of wind. I'm going, what does he say? Just ignore it. Is that what C said? See, you know Tanky's not here tonight to do any kind of Wendigo screams. I am so sorry. Uh-oh. No.
So probably
He probably doesn't even like Tanky. Otis probably don't even like Tanky. Tanky's crazy.
Well,
Does everybody agree that Tanky's crazy?
They did say 2 lights, so maybe
questions they want to ask?
We're in Oklahoma.
Yes.
Otis said yes.
Oh, it said shh.
Maybe
Otis said shh. Why do you want us to be quiet, Otis? Who do you want to be quiet? You want Ghost Hunter Chesry to be quiet? Or Ghost Hunter Alexandria? Or me? We should come to Texas. I love Texas. Evelyn. Hi, Evelyn. How are you tonight? Hey, Outlaw Nation. How are you guys tonight? Okay, I'm going to go get Ethel. I'm going to give the phone to
Yeah, let's go ahead.
Alex.
Hey.
Ethel, you guys haven't seen Ethel before. It's a very haunted doll that we have. We actually store it outside of the house because it's never fun once it's inside the house. So Ethel can usually get us some
we might.
interaction. Otis doesn't like Ethel though, so they usually don't get along too well. She wants to get Ethel.
Yes, it is. It's Chesry.
Who is it?
Oh, they're asking if that's Tinky's brother.
Yeah. I'm the cooler brother.
Hello, Sally. Welcome to the stream. You have a good night? What's this? What do they say? What do they say? George. Hi, George.
See you, George.
All right. There she has.
I'm actually coming back with Ethel right now, so Ethel usually stirs some stuff up.
She's back.
80-year-old spirit, African American, and she's prejudiced against gays and lesbians. Pondering the paranormal.
Oh. Okay,
Otis
Otis.
does not like Ethel. He will not let Ethel sit anywhere on his stone. But as you can see, he's already into bed. Otis, can I put Ethel here in front of the music box? Is that okay?
It's not saying no.
Not saying
Not
no.
yet. Oh, you said yes.
He said yes.
You said
He
yes.
said yes.
Okay.
We'll put
Thank
Ethel
you,
right
Otis.
here. I won't put her on there.
When you recalibrate, or
Ethel has been known to move her head and hands,
What's it saying?
in my experience.
Otis is trying to get that baby out of here.
The spirit talker says move locations.
Yeah, no, it says move locations, so maybe because you put it over there. And there goes the music box.
Yeah, Ethel's very, very
Ethel will
haunted.
definitely get it going. And there's the yes or no.
Yes, no, no.
Yes.
I think he
Okay,
wants her moved.
Thompson. Okay, so Otis, do you want us to move Ethel to a different location away from your stone?
See, Ethel.
Last time that we had Ethel here, she did the music box and hey John, and the REM pod.
Your father said my name is John.
Are you trying to keep the wind off of
Yeah,
her?
I'm trying to figure out the best
Yeah,
way to
don't
do
let me
it.
know
If the wind is too
over
much.
here, and we can
Here, let's take the live down. I don't see Ethel.
block the wind for y'all.
Yes.
It says yes. Otis, is that?
Music box, keep missing that yes or no box going on.
Oh, you keep missing it?
Yeah. It's like right when I turn away from it, it goes off.
Ethel, when I don't know if you guys realize it, but when I first got her and I got her through the FedEx, Wendy said, "You're cute, Ethel." And what did it say?
Johnson.
Johnson. I keep saying Johnson.
Johnson.
Is there Johnson? I wonder if Ethel's last name was Johnson. I only got a first name out of her so far is Ethel. Yes, I've seen her head and her arms. She scares me. I got her in the FedEx and then I put her in my car. And for the first time in my entire life, I had a car wreck and smashed the front of my car. And we was here last, was that 2 weeks ago? And
Yeah, so I can kind of see what it's
she sent the coyotes after us. But then we made friends and she said she was sorry and the coyotes left. Does everybody remember that night? That was a scary night. The wind is horrid. The wind is horrid. It's about ready to blow me over. You remember that, Wendy? Remember when I touched her little hand and she said she was sorry? Since she said she was sorry,
Go left.
since she said she was sorry, we haven't had any really bad mishaps. But as you can tell, she's extremely haunted. Ethel, can you talk to us tonight? Ooh. There it goes. That's how active she is, guys. You can put your equipment, nothing to do, nothing for hours, but you said Ethel there. Do you want us to do the SLS camera? Otis is mad.
Question is it Otis or is it Ethel?
Ethel, is that you? Can you make the flux 2 behind you turn green if this is you? It's Ethel. It is Ethel, guys. Did y'all see it? It's green.
Y'all that don't know, that can go green or it can go red. Red means no, green means yes.
Ethel, are you happy? Make it turn green again if you're happy. Thank you. She's happy. We'll let it go off and we'll ask her another question. Y'all got any questions for Ethel? She's communicating. I know, Dake. Isn't that crazy? She's very active. Wendy said you're a good girl. Ethel, do you like us? If you do, can you make it turn green again?
Sleep.
Sleep. Okay, bed and sleep. I wonder if Ethel, do you want to go back to bed? It's Otis wanting to go to bed.
Maybe because he did say bed.
He did say bed. So, Ethel, C wants to know if you have any boyfriends. Can you make the flux turn green if you have any boyfriends? Oh, the place you used to live? The place that you do live is haunted because it used to be a funeral home? No, Outlaw Nation, no.
Anyone have any questions for Ethel?
That's scary.
Or Otis?
Do you ever do any investigations there?
We can see if we can get them answered for you.
Ethel, can you talk to us? Can you make the Flex 2 turn green if you can talk to us? Nine. Nine what, Ethel? What's 9?
Maybe it's German.
Here I live, it used to be a cemetery. Jen Lover, no. Ethel, do you know Dreamer from our live? If you do, can you turn the Flex green?
My remains.
Your remains? Ethel, do you know Dreamer? You want to talk to her? She's on the live. You want to say hi to her? Dreamer. She's making the REM pod go off for you. Ethel, you're gonna run our batteries down. Here, Alex, you want to sit down right here?
Oh, yeah.
Look at Ethel. Go, Ethel. Read some of those lives. Thank you, Ethel. See if they got any questions for Ethel. I'm going to
Do you
try
guys have
to
any
block.
questions?
I'm blocking the wind from it.
Okay.
Ethel's answering questions. If anybody has any questions.
So Ethel, can you wave?
Ethel, can you move your arm and wave for the live stream?
Can you hop over on Alex's lap?
Outlaw Nation says, I tried using some apps on my phone. Some of them I used gave me some crazy answers.
Oh, telling Spirit Talker is like really accurate. It's really good.
Yeah, Spirit Talker is really accurate.
Ask them if they want me to turn on the S box and let it run through the stations.
There's many others.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Pretty much all over the place here. Spirit Talker said there's many others.
Ethel Dreamer says, I love you. Are you alone?
Ethel, can you answer through the box behind you? Are you alone? Can you make it turn green or red? You're alone?
She is very active. She is
is.
making it go crazy. Oh.
Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to get the the phone and I'm going to do the SLS camera. Do y'all want me to do that and see if we can see any stick figures?
Let's do that and see if we can find
Yeah,
some.
let's go ahead and do that so we can find any stick figures. And it's when you ask Ethel, what's making you happy tonight.
What's making you happy tonight, Ethel? Is it Ghost Hunter Treasury? Is it Ghost Hunter Alexandria? Is it me? Or the live stream? She is laying on that equipment, guys.
She is
laying on it.
Can you see her?
No,
Ethel, did you have any brothers or sisters?
that never goes off.
Yeah, the REM pod usually doesn't go off. Not like this.
It just never goes off.
But it's not cool that I live in a place that used to be a funeral home. Okay.
Here's her spirit.
Yeah.
Here's her spirit. There she is. She's little.
Let me see. We're pulling down. I can barely focus on this camera.
So there she is.
Yeah, you see it? There she is. Oh, I guess she did move from the REM pod.
Yeah, she moved back away from
Yeah.
the pod.
They literally asked them to move away from REM pod.
Do you want us to
and she
take a
did.
picture of you, Ethel? Do you want us to take a picture of you? All right. I'll give her voice back now.
Yeah. She's on there.
There's nothing else.
It did flash some over here. Right next
She's
to-
moving. She's going back to the REM pod.
Yeah. Let's see.
So that should be going back off in a second.
Yeah.
She was going back and forth from it.
She was trying to touch the REM pod, see?
She's trying to touch the REM pod.
Yeah, the one behind right next to the flowers. Yeah, I saw it.
All right. Let me give her back a voice.
Yeah. There was detection right next to the flowers. That must have been Otis. Probably. Because I did see it over there.
Oh, maybe Otis.
Yeah, I think Otis is probably there.
Ethel, can you back away from the music box? Can you make it stop playing?
Oh, that wind died off. Never mind.
It died off for just a second, then it came right back.
Hello. Welcome to the stream. We're talking with Ethel tonight.
Where did you get
Yeah,
Ethel
she likes
again?
the music.
I got her from Pondering the Paranormal. She was wreaking havoc on them. And so now we have her.
And she loves the music. She won't.
If anybody has any questions for Ethel or Otis, we can see if they want to answer them.
There you go.
I don't know. I did my flashlight. I think she I think she likes music too, Steak. Why does this make my head hurt? I don't know, Lo. I'm sorry. Ethel is 80 years old. Her spirit passed when she was 80. The doll, however, is one of the first African American dolls. So. But we know she passed when she was 80, so she's answered that. The doll is, she's haunted. She's haunted by an 80-year-old spirit, African American. And so we keep her with us now. Even though we got off to a really bad start, I think we can be friends now.
Yeah.
Do I do what for random people, Jacob?
Oh. REM pod went off for a second.
I've never needed it. Do we keep her locked up? We have to keep her. See, we have to keep her in a abandoned car.
She's not allowed to come in the house.
She cannot come in the house because she causes
Havoc.
coyotes to come. She causes car wrecks. When I was driving with her, she caused me to unalive a dog, and I've never done that before. So she's very dangerous. No, nobody else is here to make the music play.
Thank you for the follow. I didn't see that.
Nobody here. Thank you for the follow, Rick. So we just can't trust her.
If you're just now joining, if you want to ask any questions to Ethel,
She was not a good person.
You're more than welcome to. Ethel, we hardly ever pull out because, well, something usually bad happens every time we pull Ethel out.
Every time we get her in a vehicle, she causes something terrible.
Yes.
We bring her short distances.
Absolutely. So the spirit talker's been going off. The REM pod's been going off. The music box that detects movement.
Yeah, she was African American when she was alive.
Not stopping since we brought Ethel out.
And she's prejudiced against gays and lesbians.
We're all
and
pretty,
she will cuss them.
Non-active up until we brought Ethel out of the car, and now that she is out, we know her and Otis don't get along. So, do we know how Ethel passed away?
She has never said how she passed away.
They want to know if you're willing to ask.
Ethel, how did you pass away? We have another live stream going, and they have questions too. Yes, she has stated her name is Ethel through Pondering the Paranormal.
We're asking if she'll tell us. Sometimes she will, sometimes she won't.
She was talking to us actively a little while ago through the Flux 2.
Ethel, can you make the yes or no box go on?
I don't know, MK.
No.
She said no.
Are you tired, Ethel?
Ethel said no,
So
she
the
did not.
yes no box over there. Oh, there goes the REM pod.
But she did. She did it anyways. She told you no and then did it anyways.
Yeah.
Ethel knows our equipment. She
might
knows what
just
each
not
piece
wanna
is called.
tell us that particular detail, but she is active.
You talk to spirits and lost souls? That's cool.
The yes or no over there, that turns either green or red. Red's for no, green's
Do you think
for
she's
yes.
kind?
So when I asked her if she could set it off, she said no.
I was pretty mad at her when I kissed the airbag. The tree was in my face.
Can you make the REM pod go back off?
Otis said he's tired. Ethel, are you reading the chat? Can you read the chat, Ethel? Yes, MK, she has.
Ethel, can you get up and run towards Mom?
Yes, she has moved. You know, Ethel, are you racist? I don't know about that. Ethel, do you like white people?
Hey, now don't get me
Chinese people?
in trouble over here.
Yes, really, okay. I think she just likes...
There's 2 lives going on right now, so if you guys hear questions...
Thank you for the
other
follow,
live
okay?
Also asking questions.
You give her the energy she wants. We've given her the music box. She loves that music box. Thank you, Lo. Every time she gets around that music box, she just like plays that music box. And we go to many places and we can't get the REM pod to go off. It's just like hard as hell to get the REM pod to go off. Ethel can make that REM pod go off. She's got energy. Ethel,
can you make the REM pod go off again?
They want to know if you can make the music stop. Ethel, can you make the music stop?
I don't think she's gonna.
She's not going to make that music stop.
No,
Ethel, do you want to
likes it.
drain the batteries? Do you want to drain those batteries, Ethel?
I remember last time how it was going so much that it like music stopped.
Yeah,
And
it was going.
making grinding noises.
It was making grindy noises. Come on, Ethel. Do we need to take the music box away from you, Ethel? Turn it off. Do you want us to turn the music box off? This is where she gets her energy from. You got this, Ethel. Do you want us to take you back home, Ethel? Do you like Otis? Hold the light for a second.
Yeah.
Our spirit talker.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
she just went off.
Spirit talker's not even going off very much. It stopped.
Probably do a
Not
reset.
even picking up anything.
I reset it.
See now. See how it's moving now?
Yeah, maybe it wasn't going off.
Ethel, did you turn the spirit talker off? Do you not want to talk?
She'll respond with the yes no, everything's called back there.
No, yes or no questions.
Ethel, do you want to talk to us? Right now, she's just grabbing energy from the music box.
Yeah.
Too much energy. We had to take her home in the car. No.
She's going to run those batteries dry.
Look at not even the spirit talkers saying anything now.
Mm-hmm. Perhaps you just got tired?
I don't know. It did say it was tired. Sleepy. It said it was sleepy.
Sleepy?
Ethel, you've been up in the car. Why are you sleepy? We just now got you out. Is it you that's sleepy?
Are you upset?
The what, Ethel? I've never seen spirit talkers say the ever.
What was her religion? Do you know?
I don't know.
No, we don't know her religion.
She just talks and talks, and sometimes she just talks a little bit. Ethel, what is your religion? Do you remember where you used to live?
When you said to reset the music box to see, I think you should.
Gonna reset the music box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and reset the music box. See if she'll touch it again.
Well, I'll put on my feet. Now they're asleep.
We're going to reset the music box. See if we can get her reacting. Sometimes if you take some things away from them, they get a little upset. So.
Ethel, did that make you mad?
Good evening.
Good
Well,
evening.
she's talking now.
Good evening, Ethel. Did you get enough energy from the music box that you can talk?
Do you want us to turn the music box back on?
Ooh, Shrek. I love that movie.
Shrek. I'm gonna get the spirit box sweep.
Maybe. I don't know. She
Are
could
you
be
okay
tired.
answering a few more questions?
She's cute, but she's a dangerous, guys.
Do you want us to leave you out here with Otis?
I'm gonna do a sweep.
Okay, Joe says put the doll on its back and make her stand it up.
You know, I should have got the little Meg light out too.
Meg light?
Otis likes to do the Meg light, remember?
We're going to get more
No.
equipment. Or
She
they're
doesn't
going
want to
get
talk right
back
now.
with
She was extremely active a second ago.
The Magnot is not in here.
me. I want to give her the
Uh-oh.
music box back.
Hold on, I'm going to do a sweep.
Music.
Spirit Talker said music.
Do you want the music box back? I think she got upset she didn't get it. Yes. Okay. We'll put the music box back on.
I'm sorry, Ethel.
Okay. Let's have right now.
It should shut off. There we go.
Okay. Here's
So
your music
calibrated
box.
now, so
You can have it back.
you have your music back. Do you want to use
Are you happy that you got your music back, Ethel? Sometimes she comes on through here. Let's see.
S-Box. Scanning. FM.
You got the headphones for it?
No, we're just going to listen.
Christians to do more.
Ethel, are you here?
Let's scan it. We can see his robots over here. She wants to kind of talk through one.
Alright, this is way too hard, so I'm going to get the headphones
Yes.
and put them on. Y'all, I can ask some questions after I get to where I can't hear you.
I like it better with the headphones.
Yeah. Ethel, you want to play the music again?
We might have made her mad. Are you mad,
Maybe,
Ethel?
maybe.
Are you upset?
Ethel,
Jacob
did we
says
make
she's
you
a
mad?
little upset. But she's not setting anything off now.
I think we pissed her off, guys.
Yeah.
You did take it play the music.
She's very, very touchy. Extremely.
Kind of mean.
She's very mean. She will cuss you out in a heartbeat.
Mm.
She says really bad words.
Yeah, Jacob said that she's mad and he feels it.
Well, be
Probably.
mad at Jacob. Don't be mad at us. Jacob said
Sorry,
to do
Ethel. We're sorry, Ethel.
Baron.
Baron.
it. Baron. Is that a person?
Ah, she's really sweet. She says sleepy,
Sleepy.
dream.
Are you tired, Ethel?
I wake up. I will change your lives. You're a man. He's a fake.
Ethel, you want to go to bed?
Elsewhere.
Elsewhere?
Elsewhere.
Elsewhere.
Do you want to go elsewhere?
Are you ready to go?
Encouraging.
Oh, Crystal, thank you for the follow.
Creature.
Creature?
Second in Muldrow.
What's that supposed to mean, Ethel? Don't bring any more coyotes this time, please.
Don't like to watch that too much,
No.
just because of sometimes the things that it shows probably shouldn't be on the live.
I'm aggravated.
Yeah, maybe she's ready to leave. Are you ready to leave, Ethel?
She was aggravated.
I'm the only one. Whatever you do, I understand. Christmas. Positive.
She probably does.
I like talking.
You like talking? Ethel, are you ready to go home? Oh.
Said yes.
Yes. I think she's ready.
Green means yes.
Yes.
I'm scared of us.
People are scared of
People are
us.
scared of us.
Oh.
Who's scared of you?
Who's scared of you, Ethel? Yeah, I think she's ready.
Do you want to talk to Alex? Green for yes, red for no. You want to ride home in Alex's lap?
Nope.
Her voice left.
Yeah, she said she wants to go. 'Cause
Huh?
I asked her if she's ready to go, and she said yes.
Yeah, her voice left.
Yeah, she's ready to go.
She doesn't last very long.
No, she probably wastes all the energy with the REM pod. 'Cause she was making it go
She
crazy.
plays
Leonard.
with everything.
Leonard.
Just be exhausted.
Yeah, she could be tuckered out.
Are you tired, Ethel?
And we hope so too.
Can you give us a sign if you're tired? I think the sign is no sign.
Probably.
She said, I already gave you a sign.
Would you like to go home?
Kind of curious to see if the music
What's the
box
two
is
lights
even
straight
going
ahead?
on.
I wonder if she drained the unit box.
Yeah, she wants to go
Yeah.
home. She's ready.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
works.
yeah, it works. She's
Did she say yes on
yeah,
the box?
she
Yeah, she
yep.
said yes both times that you've asked her if she wanted to go home.
Yeah, she's ready to go home. All
She
right.
didn't last long.
Yeah, all right. We should pack her up.
Okay, let me see the live
Here you
stream.
go.
Okay, sorry guys. Okay, tomorrow.
Look below.
Look below. No, Ethel, we're not looking below. I claim no energy from this session. You claim no energy from this session.
Mary.
Microwaved.
Mary?
There was a lot going on. Ethel got tired quick.
Yeah, I think the problem is she set off everything at once, which really just drained
Ethel
her
Olivia
out.
said, good night. Jacob says, there's lots of energy. We're going to go to the cemetery where we've seen the lady, the ghost lady. We'll be there tomorrow night. I'm planning on starting the live early, about 7 o'clock. So, and we're going to be out there for a couple of hours at that one. Because all of our stuff goes off at that one. And we hope this time we can see the ghost lady again. She wears a black peacoat and a black hat with a black feather.
I love this.
You love this, Ethel? Ethel wants to go. She's never been to that cemetery. Thank you, Wendy. And we're going to go there tomorrow night. So, Ethel be good. Ethel has been good recently, but we haven't like put her in a vehicle and went a long distance yet.
Did I scare you?
Yes, Ethel, you did scare us. You've done some pretty bad things. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you for the heart me's. And then tomorrow night, for subscribers, we're going to be giving away some gifts. Okay. No spirits are allowed to follow me or my ghost hunters, Chesry and Alexandria, home. You're not allowed to attach to us or any of our equipment. You are not allowed to attach to anybody on our live stream that's been watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Have a good night.